If balances or transactions won't load, it's usually a sync or a maintenance issue, so let's fix it. First of all, pull down to refresh your accounts and then switch network connections. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data to rule out network issues. And if you're not able to do that right now, then make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so the app operates smoothly. After that, force close and reopen the app by swiping it up from the bottom of your screen. Look for the Citi Mobile app and then reopen it. This will clear temporary glitches. After that, check your Citi maintenance notice if it's still late. Tip: pending transactions may appear on the web before the app. And that's it. Subscribe